Hi YouTube team, my name is Shelbornongsi and my channel's name is CKFamm. C stands for my mother's name and K stands for my father's name. As I received a mail from your team
on 30 August 2022
that my channel was not approved for monetization due to reuse content. So I'm here to explain to you with respect that I'm not using any other content video. I use my own video. Even sometimes I did not show my own face. I use my own voice, my own video. In my channel, I used to upload many different type of video like inspiring words video in my local language. And then drone shot video like this one. And then challenge video like this one. This is all my own video. I used to edit by my own. I used to shooting by my own. And these are all my relative gift. I even used to pay them for a challenge video like this one.
the winner.
So I'm here to explain to you and to show you this is all my video, and now I will show you my own equipment for shooting video. This is my phone that I used to shooting a video, and this is my camera I used to shoot video. This is my tripod stand for holding a camera, and this also a stand for holding a camera. I use this micro mix for recording, and also I use this remote for control the camera. I use my own laptop for editing a video, and also in all my video I use two different type of software. One is Filmora and two is Power Director. Let me show you. Editing video I use two different type of software. One is Power Director 365 and second I use this Filmora 11. So this is all my video that I use to edit by Filmora. See, this is how I edit my video. I used to edit my video on Filmora. So this is how I edit my video. So let me show you how I edit my video. This is how I edit my video, and sometimes I use a background music from here, like this one. This is the background music. I use the effect from here. These are all the effect that I use after I edit a video. I export. So as you can see, this is all my video that I edit by my own on my laptop by Filmora. So that's all from my explanation about my reuse content video. So as you can see that I used to edit my own, I used to shooting by my own. So I hope you will understand and allow me to become a member of YouTube Partner Program. So that's all. Thank you for your kind. God bless. Thank you.